Peace, YouTube. Eddie Gerard from Success Definers. If you need us, you know where you can find us. www.successdefiners.com. Shout out to the chesting up YouTubers out there. I see y'all. So, we all got some stimulus money coming this week. And we need to know what we're going to do with it, right? So, let me just first say if you have a financial advisor or if you already have a plan of what you're going to do with your stimulus check, fine. Go with it. This video, like the rest of my videos, are for people who are beginning to change their life and beginning to want to get control of certain things that are within their control so that they can have a better outlook on life, right? And so this is just something that I plan to do with my money. If it works for you, give it a try. If it sounds like it'll work for you, give it a try. And if you have a different system, put it down below. Again, I'm not Dave Ramsey. I'm not trying to be a financial advisor. I'm just saying that when we get money in, we should have an idea of where we're going to spend it. We have to stop just letting money come in and letting money go out without us having any control over it. All right. So this is my system, the Success Definer system. The first 10%, blow it. Yep, I said blow it. Get it out your system. Buy those new shoes, buy that new clothes, whatever, music equipment, jewelry, whatever you like, blow it. Enjoy it. Take your wife out, take your girl out, take the kids on a little trip, whatever you can. Just blow it so that you can get that part out your system. And then the next 10%, which will be familiar to a lot of people, is pay yourself, right? So put that in an investment account or retirement account, something that's going to sit there and mature and do work for you. The next 30%, pay bills or pay down debt. Now, these are like little debts. You might have some credit card debt that's a killer for our households. Take care of some of that. Or you got, we've been struggling through this pandemic. So you might have gas bill or light bill that's a little too high or past due or whatever. Take care of it. Just get it out the way. Use 30% to try to get on top of your finances out, when it comes to credit or bills. The next 30%, use it for the household. So if you've been grinding and if you've been trying to live within your means, you may have furniture that needs to be updated. You may have car issues that need to be taken care of. The wife, the children, yourself may need something. You might want to buy some courses or classes. Just use the next 30% for the household. Okay. And then that next 10% for the children. So me personally, I'm putting it in my children's stock accounts. But you can buy the children a gift, pay for some karate classes, sports classes, buy them some new equipment, get them a basketball hoop, something for the children that's going to, make them better, but also give them something to enjoy. So my children are getting into stocks. They like to know that they own something. And we just got into Roblox that just released on the Robinhood last week. So we bought them some of that. We'll probably get them some more of that. And then something on the side that they want. And then the last 10%, throw it into a rainy day fund. Hopefully this isn't the first money that you got for your rainy day fund. If it is, you probably should start there. But if you already got some money set aside, go ahead and take that last 10% and just throw it away. Forget that it's even there, and it'll be there when you need it. All right, so that should add up to 100%. I think it does. All right, leave a comment down below of what you plan to do with your stimulus check. If this was informative, if this helped you in any way, like, comment, subscribe, share it with someone. We're here to learn. We're here to bounce off ideas. I am not a financial advisor. I am not even stepping into that role. I was asked to do this, and I'm here for you. All right? My name is Eddie Gerard. I'm from Success Definers. And if you need us, you know where you can find us, www.successdefiners.com. Peace.